Welcome back from Three Cool Girls. So today I'm with my small brother, and today we're gonna open a Play-doh cupcake tower. So let's get started. We have a lot of stuff. We have the instruction. I already opened it because, yeah, I did a mistake. I already kind of made the cupcake tower, but I'm not done yet. We have two of these to put our cupcakes. We have to make something to make cupcakes. We have a lot of stuff. We have 5 different Play-doh cans, 5 different Play-doh with another different colors. We have pink, yellow, green, blue, turquoise, and brown for the chocolate one, definitely. So I'm still making. That's why. So oops. So can you please wait 2 seconds? So I'm done the cupcake tower. Yeah, there's this to put some frosting, and we just put the cupcake here, and then we just do the frosting. And we have this to make the cupcake. We have these two to put the cupcake. We have a knife, and we have and we have this to pick up the cupcake. Okay. So yeah, let's get started with all the Play-doh. Sorry. So we're gonna take all the Play-dohs. The pink one, the yellow one, the green, the blue, and the brown. So what should we make? Daisy. So now let's take the chocolate one, and for the frosting, the turquoise one. So first I'm going to take this to put the chocolate Play-doh in. There. Okay. So I'm not really sure if I need to take all of the Play-doh, but it's okay. So let's put it in. There, I put it in, and then just close it. Oopsie daisy. And now that I closed it, let's squeeze it. I think I squeezed it. Let's open it. Ooh, it's not that bad. Let's just put more Play-doh, like that'll be good. Like that, it's really gonna squeeze. Okay, I squeezed it in. So now let's open it. That's a better one. Let's stick it up from here. There, let me just do it more better. Squeeze it, squeeze, squeeze it, squeeze. Okay, so I'm gonna take the green Play-doh. You'll see why, but I don't really know what to call it, but you'll see why.
Get it on a finger. Shiny finger.
Okay, so we have the green Play-doh. We just need to roll it. Let's take the roller. Well, it's not really a roller, but it's okay. I don't really care if it's not a roller. I just need it. There we go.
Oh, wow.
Now it's all squeezed in.
Film.
Queen. Bend it.
Film där. Ett film.
So now we have this.
Där. Smita det skickar där.
Okay. So now we're just gonna cut it with a knife and see what is gonna be the topping. Okay, I got it. So I cut all of this. All of it. Awesome Play-doh. I like this. And to tell you, I got this. It's a Play-doh cupcake tower. I got it from Toys R Us. And if you want to buy it, it's just $10. It's okay. You can just buy it. But I took 2 because, yeah. And it's $20 for me, so.
Me too. And for you friends. Come to now. Let's sit.
I'm just going to cut it again and see.
There's colors inside.
I got this. And now we're just going to squeeze it, squeeze it, squeeze it. And we're done. We just need to put it all over. It's going to be fun.
Me too.
I think we're missing some. Yeah, we're missing. Well, just a little bit, not a lot. So, see ya when I'm done in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm just gonna put some decoration, like pretzels, donut. Let's make a donut with brown. It's a chocolate donut. And the frosting will be pink. See ya when I'm done. So now that I'm done, I have my cupcake and I have my donut I tried to make. So now let's put my donut on this, but I'm missing something. Oh, it's the frosting. Let's put the frosting first. Before putting that donut, that yummy donut. So we're gonna take the turquoise. I think we should take all of it now. And yeah, so let's take the cupcake tower, put the frosting. Oh no. So we're done, so let's squeeze it in, but we need the cupcake here. First, always need a cupcake. Squeeze. Oh no. Let's squeeze. It's getting out, it's getting out. But I don't know. No, it's not gonna go on the... But I don't care if it doesn't go. Cool. I think we need more. No, we don't need more. I think I still have some. Put it in. Let's squeeze it. I think I still need more. Yeah, I always want more.
I'm just gonna do some these.
Okay, I think I'm done. So here's my cupcake. It's all done with the little donut. So let's take one little ball, put it in. There we go. Who wants to make some treats? I guess I'm gonna make some pretzels, biscuits, cookie flour, and a gummy bear. So let's get started. Wait until I'm done in 1 second. I can do anything in 1 second. Okay, so now I'm done. Everything in 1 second. So it's actually not really 1 second, but I can't tell you how. It's a magical second. It's a magical 1 second. So like, you take your time, but for you, it's 1 second. So I can take my time. It's actually not 1 second. Like it's like 5 minutes ago I made this, but for you it's 1 second. So so I made a donut. I just wanted to make. I made a biscuit. I made a. No, actually I made a.
Lemon blast.
the tiny little biscuit. I made a big biscuit. I made a cookie flour. I made some pretzels. And I made a gummy bear. Gummy bear, I'm a gummy bear. So now we have all these two. So guys, thanks for watching. Bye. And have a nice day. And don't forget to do a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel. Bye.